Well guys, here we got the EU2000 and I got an ohm tester and our big compressor. Let's see what's gonna happen. So first of all, I'm gonna check the reading and see how stable this, stable the power is. So it's 124.5, it drops down. Try this other one here. Come on, stay in. Okay, so here's the reading. Very stable. Now I'm gonna kick it into full throttle. Pretty stable again, very stable actually. So I'll leave this going here, and we'll get the compressor going. Now I'm gonna try and see if it'll go on full throttle, because versus that compressor, I don't think this thing will do it, and I don't feel like jumping the breaker. So I'm just gonna put on full throttle and leave it there and see what happens. Full throttle, plug this in. Here, I'll bring it to the amps. Showing 0 because this just moved out. There. So we're doing a pretty... Okay, so it's pretty stable there, and we're gonna kick on the air compressor and see what happens. My plug wants to cooperate. Nope. Didn't want to. Let's try that again. Pretty tough for it, but it's doing about 124.2 volts there. Seems like it's doing good. And then jump back up to 127 there. So that's very good. I'm liking that. So I'm going to put it down to echo, and I'm going to go get a grinder, and I'm going to try out the grinder. Okay, so I got the grinder here, and let's see if my plug wants to cooperate, and let's try it out. I think my plug's coming out. Hold on. There you go. 125, let's kick it back on. That's really good. That's pretty impressive there. This is a 15 amp 4.5-inch grinder. It's pretty good. It just goes down about an amp, I guess a volt. And that was on the echo mode, and it was pretty good. I'm pretty sure on the full throttle it wouldn't move at all. But that compressor right there was pretty tough for it. It really forced a lot. So there you go. A good testing on the Honda. If the light would want to lay off. There. EU 2000. Amazing. Pretty good machine. So this, in my opinion, I do recommend it. It's very good. It's pretty powerful. Even to run a 16 or 17 amp air compressor there. So yeah. Later, guys.